morning everybody, and welcome to the channel. If you've not already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, or dislike if you don't like the video. Please leave a comment to let us know why, either for the good or the bad. So like and subscribe, you get notifications of my videos whenever I upload them, which is a little bit sporadic, but hopefully we're going to get a little bit more consistent. Anyway, so I just want to say today, thank you to the 100 people that have just subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. It's nice to see that what I'm doing is interesting for some people, and if you can give us a share on social media, that'd be great as well. Today it's time to pack up, so thank you very much for watching. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate the support with the subscribers. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, like, dislike, whatever, all helps. Let me know where I'm going wrong. One of the things that I do want to ask everybody is, if you can leave it in the comments, I want to know what colour should the wheels be. And the other thing is, now I've cleaned the hubs up, they're going to have to be shot blasted just because they're so awkward to hold. What colour should we paint them? Bearing in mind that the trailer's going to be Oxford blue. So yeah, if you can let us know, please, be much appreciated. Could do a little bit of help on that one. And I'll see you on the next one.